Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Huawei Mate 10 Lite. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember password to your phone or the software doesn't work properly at all. So first you're gonna charge up your phone, turn off device, power off, and now we're gonna press and hold volume up and power button together. Press and hold until you see the secret menu. So let's start. Press and hold and keep waiting. We're gonna see the Huawei logo. Press, still holding, pressing both key. Yes, we have a EMU logo, and from here we're gonna wipe data, factory reset this option. Wipe data, and now phone write the new software and turn on without password, passcode, and new fresh software on it. There is important things that you need to know. You have to know the Google account to your phone, email and password, because Huawei gonna ask you for it. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey!